Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the TCS, and they are hiring as TCS Atlas hiring for the batch of 2026, and the registration is now open, and the last date of the registration is 1st of February 2026, that is on Sunday, and the test date is not yet announced. It will announce soon. So now this is the application process. So first you have to log into this portal, then second step is register and apply for the drive. Then third step is you have to select the mode of this test, that will be in center, and you have to choose the test center according to your city, where do you live. Select your nearest center and then click on apply. Then fourth state is confirm your status. You have to track your application icon, where is your application yet, and the status should be reflected after you have applied, should be applied for the drive. This kind of status must be there. Now let's see the test eligibility. Who are eligible for this role? So for the academic percentage, throughout your academics you should have 60%. That means in 12th, 10th and your graduation you should have 60% overall. Then here you can see which branches are eligible, or which category of eligible for this role. So candidate must be pursuing full time of MSc, that is Master of Science, or MA, Master of Arts, specialize in maths, statistics and economics from a recognized university or a college, and it should be passed of 2026. No back must be there, no gap must be there in your overall education. How will be the test pattern? Here you can see the test pattern is divided into these categories, and you will get 115 minutes, and you have to solve this kind of questions in that. So you will get the questions related to the statistics, maths and economics, programming and verbal ability. So this kind of pattern will be there for your TCS exam. So next hiring is conducted by the Zensar, and they're hiring as Gen AI annotation. They're hiring as eventually a prompt engineer, and the CTC you will get around 3 to 6 LPA based upon your evaluation and selection. Okay, so the qualifications are required like a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in specific discipline. That means you should have completed your master's degree or a bachelor's degree full time. You should have strong written and verbal communication skills, and willing to learn and adapt new tools and technologies, ability to work in independently and in a team environment. So you have to fill this form, then you will get your shortlisted mail. Then next hiring is conducted by the Microsoft, and they're hiring as software engineering intern, and the location in which they're hiring is Bangalore. And here you can see then the keys and responsibilities are like you should have the problem solving skills and work with appropriate stakeholders to determine the user requirements for a feature. You should be a quick learner, take the feedback from the industry for the best practices to improve your technical solutions. Then you should have time management skills, then complete your software project in a cooperative team environment. Okay, so you should review the current developments and proactively seek a new technology that will improve the availability, reliability, efficiency, observability, and performance of the product. Okay, so these kind of responsibilities will be there. So next is the qualification. So who can apply for the job? So a currently pursuing bachelor's degree or a master's degree in computer science, engineering or related field can be applied for the job. You must have at least one semester remaining following completion of your internship. Then you should have ability to demonstrate an understanding of computer science fundamentals, including data structures and algorithms. So these kind of qualification and skills are required. So if you have this kind of skill set and you are currently pursuing a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the IDFC First Bank, and they are hiring as SDET, and the location in which they are hiring is Chennai. And these are the keys and responsibilities. So a test planning and a design, then automation testing, manual testing, web, mobile and API testing, continuous integration, that is CI, database testing, collaboration, then test documentation. So this kind of skill set you must have. Then who are eligible for this role? A BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Science, that is BSc, MSc, that is Master of Science, Master of Technology, that is MTech, Bachelors of Computer Application, that is BCA, and MCA, that is Master of Computer Application. So these kind of qualifications are required to apply for the job, and it should be full time. So if you are eligible and if you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Accenture, and they are hiring as Associate Software Engineer, that is nothing but the ASC, and the freshers can also apply for the job. That means 0 to 1 years of experience can be applied for the job. So these are the location in which they are hiring, and it will be the full-time job. So let's see the eligibility criteria. So who can apply for the job? Any year pass out until 2025 graduate can be applied for the job. Then highest qualification must be BE BTech in all branches, ME MTech in all branches, MSc MCA, then a dual degree, BTech plus MTech, then BTech plus MS. They can also apply for the job. Okay, full time is required. The full time education is required. Then the candidate should not have more than 23 months of full time experience while onboarding. Then no backlogs must be there while onboarding. No gap must be there. Okay. Then you should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment process in last 3 months. So they are eligible for this role. So the process will be this. It will be the assessment. So first assessment will be behavioral and cognitive assessment. It will be for 40 minutes. Then second will be the assessment 2 for technical assessment, and it will 45 minutes. Then third will be the coding assessment, where you will get 3 questions and you have to solve this by using any kind of language like Java, .NET, Python, C++. Then next is the assessment. You will get the communication assessment. It will be approximately for 30 minutes, and then you will get a final interview. So these are the criteria and these are the process you have to go through. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.